Good morning, students. Welcome back to Moral Science class. I hope you all are doing fine. Chapter 2 Honesty. Take your Moral Science book, page number 11. Last class we have discussed about honesty. What is the meaning of honesty? And benefits of honesty. What is the meaning of honesty? Honesty means don't tell a lie. So when we speak the truth and act truthfully, a more complete sense of honesty is that an honest person does not do things that are morally wrong. Then benefits of honesty also we have discussed in the last class. Today we are going to see one story related to the honesty. Let us read the story, page number 13. Chintu and Rani were good friends. They had great confidence in each other. Rani was very honest girl. Once they decided to enjoy their holidays together. They went out to a hill station for a week. Both enjoyed their stay at the hill station. After 7 days, they planned to return. When they reached the station to board the train, they found a bag lying at the station platform. Chintu noticed it first and picked it up. He opened it and saw that it contained a lot of cash and jewelry in it. Chintu tried to hide it, but Rani suggested, Chintu, we are honest people. We should not keep it with us. Somebody has missed it. We should ask people at the station. If someone claims and is able to tell the exact details, we shall hand over this back to him. No, 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 you are fool. Everybody will come to claim it as his own bag. I have found it, so this is mine, Chintu said. Rani said, what are you talking? In case you do not want to give it to its owner, we should divide it into two equal parts. Both of us have found it. We have shared every moment, every food, every joy here together. Therefore, we should divide the cash and jewelry also into two parts to enjoy together. I don't agree with you. I saw it first and so it is mine. Saying, so Chintu kept the bag in his possession. Meanwhile, the train arrived at the station. Chintu and Rani boarded it. Once they occupied their seats, they were at ease and began talking to each other. Time was rolling on. When the night fell, they began feeling sleepy. After some time, the train halted at the next station. Suddenly, they saw some policemen entering their compartment. Chintu was frightened to see them. He tried to put the bag behind his back. Chintu whispered in Rani's ear, we are in great trouble. The police have come. They would arrest us and put us behind bars. You know, we have not stolen the bag. Rani said in a low voice, why do you say as not me? And not me. Please don't try to involve me. I have got nothing to do with the bag. You did not listen to me when I asked you to find out the owner and hand over to the bag to him. You even refused to share it with me. And now, when you feel that you are going to land in an unpleasant situation, you want to share the unpleasantness with me. Very clever. The police saw the lines of terror in Chintu's face and became suspicious about him. They searched his belongings and found the bag. This was the bag they had come searching for. They arrested him and punished for not reporting to police. Now Chintu was repenting that he should have listened to his friend's advice. The story teaches that honesty is the best policy. Students, what you have learned from these stories? Honesty is the best policy. Students, if you are walking by road or any other place, suppose someone missed their things, it may be cash or jewelry. If you found if you found that things, you are not supposed to keep with you. You have to inquire people in that place. If someone tell exact details, you shall hand over that things. Otherwise, you have to hand over to police station. You should not keep with you. It is very bad habit. In these stories, you saw Chintu position. At last, Chintu was punished by police. So, what is that moral of the story? This one. The story teach us that honesty is the best policy. Is it clear? Next, Gandhiji, a great example of honesty. A great example of honesty, one person is there. Who is that? Gandhiji. There is no God higher than truth. Truth is the God. No, there is no God is higher than truth. Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. Listen. Mohan was very shy. Mohan means here Gandhiji only. As soon as the school bell rang, he collected his books and hurried home. Other boys chatted and stopped on the way, some to play, others to eat, but Mohan always went straight home. He was afraid that the boys might stop him and make fun of him. One day, the inspector of schools, Mr. Gills, came to Mohan's school. So he read out 5 English words to the class and asked them boys to write them down. Mohan wrote 4 words correctly, but he could not spell the fifth word kettle. Seeing Mohan's hesitation, the teacher made a sign behind the inspector back that he should copy the word from his neighbor's slate. But Mohan ignored his signs. The other boys wrote all the 5 words correctly. Mohan wrote only 4. After the inspector left, the teacher scolded him. I told you to copy from your neighbor, he said angrily. Would not you even do that correctly? Everyone laughed. As he went home that evening, Mohan was not happy. He knew that he had done the right thing. What made him sad was that his teacher should have asked him to cheat. Learning. What is that learning? Honesty is the best policy. Cheating and being dishonest will not take one far in life. From young, the habit of speaking the truth and honesty should be inculcated in children. Those who are honest are peaceful and happy. Let us explain this Mahatma Gandhiji's great example of honesty. So Mohan, Mahatma Gandhi is called Mohan, Mohanlal Karamchand Gandhi. As soon as the school bell rang, from his childhood story, this one. So he collected his book. He hurried. He Mohan always went straight home only. He was afraid that the boys might stop him and make fun of him because he is not at all chatted with other friends only. Once school was over, he always went straight home only. One day, the inspector of schools, they used to usually visited in the school. Okay, so that inspector name is Mr. Gills. So he came to Morgan schools. Okay, he read out 5 English words to the class. So he read out 5 English words. Asked the boys to write them down. So he read out 5 sentences. He told that the boys please write it in your paper, copy note. So Mohan wrote only 4 steps. Gandhiji wrote only 4 words only correctly, but he could not spell the fifth word. Another fifth word, 4 word he completed. Okay, he wrote it, but fifth word kettle. Okay, see, so he could not spell the fifth word kettle. Okay, then Mohan said, oh, I don't know, like that. That some face expression is there, na? So the teacher made a sign behind the inspector back. So the teacher was standing behind the inspector back and he should copy the word from his neighbor's slate. Teacher insists that Gandhi copy the fifth word from his neighbor's slate. But Gandhiji ignored his signs. Sign means he is giving some sign. See, like eye contact or something they will do because other boys wrote all the 5 words correctly. Only in that class, Mohan wrote only 4. So after inspector left, the teacher scolded. So he started to scold him. I told you to copy from your neighbor. He said, who? Yes, the teacher. The teacher said angrily. So good not this one also you can't do. Everyone laughed. So all the boys are laughing only. So on that day evening, he went home. Gandhiji went home. He was not be happy. Why? He know that he had done that. Actually, Gandhiji himself, he know he done correct thing. Whatever he knows, he write it. He is not copying from his friend's slate. Okay, neighbors. But what made him sad? Why he is sad means his teacher should have asked him to cheat. The teacher should ask. Teacher insist have asked him to cheat. That is not good habit because teacher itself. Oh, if you don't know means you have to copy from your neighbors means then what is the need? So teachers as a teacher we have to teach the students be honest, be tell the truth like that. So what here that is so teacher itself telling asked him to cheat. That is why he was very sad. So whatever he done, whatever he knows, he wrote it. He done correct right thing only. But why he is sad means teacher should have asked him to cheat. Teacher himself only telling to cheat. So to seeing and writing from neighbors that is cheating only, copying. So what he honesty is the best policy. Cheating and being dishonest will not take one far in life. From childhood onwards, we have the habit. We have to practice the habit of speaking the truth. So students, you have to develop the habit of speaking the truth and honesty should be inculcated. Those who are honest people, they are very peaceful and happy. So is it clear, students? Students, we have completed this lesson. It is important to be honest and tell the truth even if it hurts us. In your life, you should be honest and you always speak the truth only if someone hurts you also. If you are honest, people will trust you and like you. Always speak truth to your elders and to your friends. If you will speak truth, you will not be afraid of anything. Remember, one lie can lead to 100 lies, and truth always wins. So, be honest. People love honest students, children. Is it clear? That's all for today class. I hope you all understood. Meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.